Wouldn't it be great if there was a button on every LinkedIn profile that when you clicked it, fetched the profile's contact information, including verified email address, and added the profile as a lead into your ActiveCampaign CRM? Well, now there is. It's using our Chrome extension called LinkActive, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to get set up. So once you've added the Chrome extension to your browser, whether that's Chrome, Brave, or any of the other ones, we first of all recommend that you pin the Chrome extension to your toolbar. And the way you can do this is just going up here, clicking on the Extensions tab and clicking the pin. And this is going to come in useful later. It makes it much easier to use the extension. So I'm just going to continue on the onboarding flow now. I'm just going to sign up with my email address. And the last step we need to do is just to link to our ActiveCampaign. We just need to set up that connection, and it takes 2 seconds. You just have to add your API key and API URL, which you can find in your ActiveCampaign by going to Settings and then going to Developer, and then you can see both of these here. So this is the URL, which I'm just going to paste in here, and this is my API key. And once we enter that, that's everything done. We can now start using the LinkActive Chrome extension. So if I go to any LinkedIn profile, for example my own, you can see here that it's showing a green tick, and that's because my profile is already in my CRM, and you can click on here and you can click through to the record in ActiveCampaign. But if we go to a profile that is not already in our CRM, such as potentially this one, the Chrome extension will show as an L, and when you click it, it's going to fetch the contact's email address, phone number, company, job title. It's going to be a very enriched profile, and you can just add it to your ActiveCampaign CRM with just one click. And once that's finished, it'll show a button View in ActiveCampaign, and we can link through to the record in our CRM. So it's going to save you lots of time, potentially hours per week, and it's just going to fetch the contact information, add it to your ActiveCampaign CRM, and just stop you doing manual data entry. So yeah, good luck with the extension. The link is in the description, and it's LinkActive. All the best.